Hey, what's up guys, it's Arun, and today I'm going to be unboxing the iPad Air 4 right here on the channel for you guys. This is the iPad that Apple just released a couple of weeks ago, and it's only just gone live here in Australia. So without any further ado, let's get into this unboxing. Alrighty guys, so let's take a quick look around the box before we get into the unboxing itself. So on the front you can see a picture of the iPad. On the left hand right hand side of the box you can see the word iPad Air, and on the bottom and top of the box you can just see an Apple logo. On the back of the box you can see a bit of information. As you can see, mine is a 4th generation 256GB iPad Air. So let's get into the unboxing. There is a nice pull tab on the top here which allows us to pull it open. Alright, so there's a bit of a coating of cardboard in the inside of the box to protect the screen, I guess. And let's put that on the side real quickly. And there it is, the iPad itself. Nice little pull tab to pull that up. Just set that aside for a minute. My goodness, that is very, very thin as far as the device goes. And very nice feeling as well. Wow, Apple really does know how to make a product, I'll give them that. So let's pop that on the side for a minute and see what else comes in the box. So we also get Designed by Apple California, and I believe in here we should get just some Apple stickers as well as a manual. So it does say iPad Air there, as well as a bit of a quick start guide on the new iPad OS gesture system, and that's double-sided as well. So it just gives a bit of an overview on the device itself. There's a bit of information on the device itself, and yes, we do get 2 Apple stickers if you're interested in that as well. So you can see here is the fast charger included in the box. This is a USB-C charging brick, 18-watt fast charger. I believe that's what it is, but I can confirm that a little bit later in the review. So let's pop that on the side for a second and see what else comes in the box. We do have a USB-C cable, which is always nice to have now that everything is moving to USB-C in the world. So this will be perfect because the iPad does use USB-C for charging. So let's open that up real quickly. And it's a decent length cable, nothing super amazing here. About 1 meter I think on this USB-C cable. And it'll be pretty much only useful for charging. It feels quite thin, so I'm pretty sure you're not going to get any ridiculous USB-C speeds when you transfer information using this cable. Alright, so let me move this box out of the way real quickly so we can take a better look at the iPad itself. So here we have the iPad itself, and I'm going to go ahead and take off this plastic. Okay, and here we have the iPad itself. I'm going to avoid putting too many fingerprints on it because I am going to install a glass screen protector. You can see around on the 2 speaker grills on the top as well as the 2 on the bottom, and on the back of the device you can see the smart connector at the bottom and you can see the camera at the top. This is a significant upgrade over the iPad I'm using right now, so I can't wait to give you guys a full review on this device. I'm going to quickly power it on so we can see what we get. But until then, I think that's all from me today. Okay, so I'm going to be installing a glass screen protector on it right now. So I'll give you guys a quick breakdown of how this is going to go down. I've never actually done this before, so it will be a bit interesting to see whether or not I can pull off this operation without too much of a problem. It looks pretty straightforward. This is actually an iPad Pro 11-inch screen protector, but because they're the same dimensions, it should fit pretty much perfectly. Now I was given a couple of these wipes as well in the box, so let's go ahead and open these up and see if we can't get this screen protector on nice and cleanly. Now I'm going to peel the screen protector back. And now I'm just peeling the screen protector back enough to stick it on to the device itself. going to just use this microfiber cloth and try and push out these air bubbles best I can. It doesn't seem like any dust was trapped underneath the display, which is very nice to see indeed. So let's go ahead and try and get these out. I don't think it's 100% straight either, but it is pretty good. So there we go, guys. The iPad is all put together. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up, and I'll be back in a week or so with a full review. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. There's a full review of mine coming for this iPad in the next week or so. And until then, let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, I recommend you do so. Stay tuned for these kind of videos. I post once a week every Friday. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.